Did your iPhone suddenly feel slower after updating to iOS 26? Apps taking longer to open, scrolling not as smooth, battery draining faster? You're not alone. But the good news is, you don't need a new phone. In this video, I'll show you simple settings that can make iOS 26 run faster on older iPhones.
Hi friends, welcome to PDF Tech, and before we start, I noticed that many of you are watching and not subscribing yet, so I am really close to the 1000 subscriber and your support really motivate me to bringing this type of helpful content. So if you are find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. So let's get started.
After a big update like iOS 26, your iPhone works hard in the background, updating apps, organizing data, and optimizing files. During this time, it may feel slow or warm. So if you just updated recently, give it about 24 to 48 hours while connected to Wi-Fi and charging. In many cases, performance improves on its own once everything finishes. Now let's move to the first real fix. First, restart your iPhone. This might sound simple, but restarting clears temporary processes and can instantly fix small lags and glitches. Press and hold the power button and volume up button together. Keep holding until the power menu appears, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, and press the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. A quick restart can make a noticeable difference. Next, check your storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, performance will slow down. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and look at the bar at the top. Try to keep at least 10 to 20% free space. If your storage is above 80 or 90%, delete unused apps or remove large videos. And most importantly, go to Photos. Scroll down, tap Recently Deleted. Here you'll see photos and videos that are still taking up space even after deletion. Many people forget to clear this. Delete those files and you can instantly free up storage. Do the same thing in Messages. Open Messages, tap Recently Deleted, and remove old files. Free space helps your iPhone run faster and smoother. Now let's reduce heavy animations. iOS uses visual effects and transitions that look nice, but they can slow down older devices. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. This makes animations lighter and improves responsiveness. You will still have the same features, but everything feels faster. Then also turn off Reduce Transparency. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn off Reduce Transparency. This reduces the glass effect on your iPhone and uses less GPU power, which can make the device feel faster. Next, turn off unnecessary background app refresh. This feature allows apps to update in the background, but it can also slow down performance and drain battery. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. You can set it to Wi-Fi only or turn it off for apps you don't need running all the time. Keep it on for important apps like messaging, email, or maps, and turn it off for games or shopping apps. Another important step is updating your apps. Old versions of apps may not work efficiently with a new iOS version. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and tap Update All. Once the updates finish, restart your phone again. Updated apps often fix bugs and improve performance. Now let's check location services. Some apps constantly track your location in the background, which can slow down your phone and reduce battery life. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Scroll through the list of apps and set non-essential apps to While using the app or Never. This reduces background activity and improves performance. I also made a detailed video about this. You can check it by clicking the link on the top right corner. Next, check your battery health. As batteries age, the system may reduce performance to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging. If your battery health is very low, performance may be limited. In that case, replacing the battery can significantly improve speed and responsiveness. If your iPhone is still slow after trying these steps, you can reset all settings. This does not delete your photos, apps, or data, but it resets system settings that may be causing conflicts. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. You will need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords, but this often fixes performance issues. And as a last option, you can create a backup and do a clean restore. Go to Settings, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Erase all content and settings. This will delete all your data and give your iPhone a completely fresh start. It takes more time, but it's the most powerful fix if nothing else works. So those are the best ways to make iOS 26 faster on older iPhones. You don't need to replace your phone, just adjust a few settings and free up resources. If this video helped speed up your iPhone, let me know in the comments which step made the biggest difference. And if you found this useful, please consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and settings like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.